Hello all. This is from the book of 100 Endgame You Must Know. It's very famous book and every chess player should study this book. We are going to see one by one chess puzzle of this book. Let's start with the first puzzle, which is a very basic puzzle. What you need to do, all players, you have to calculate the moves and write down in your book, and just pause the video. Now, just take this puzzle. Here is a white in the bottom corner. It's a white, highlighted. So this is if this is a white to play. So just go white to play and win. Pause the video and calculate your moves, write down in your book, and just tally. Now the answer is A4. As simple, this king is out of the box. If you create a box here by a first triangle and then connect this box, this king is out of box. So this king cannot capture this pawn. So this is a white win. Let's go next. Pause the video. White to play. Okay. The answer is first we need to block this king. So king c7. Now just pawn push, king d5, and this game is win because this king cannot capture this pawn. Next. Now this is again white to play. Pause the video and find out what is the best move for the white. Okay, the answer is pawn push. Now this the pawn moves ahead and the black must retreat his king. The white king can support the promotion. So just king to g7 and this will be a queen. Let's see next puzzle. Now again, it's actually again it's a black to move. Now, if it is a black to move, however, the result changes completely in position in the last puzzle. It's a black's turn. The reason is that pawn is cannot promote if both king are opposed when the pawn reach to the seventh rank. Then we say that we are in opposition. Like here, after black's move, king g8. Now the king are opposed and the situation is always a draw. Now let's see white pushes the pawn, and now here the pawn is ahead but cannot promote anyway because the king will go to the f8. Another force move, white to move and prevent loss of the pawn. So he have to go king to f6 and this game is draw. We call it stalemate. Let's go next puzzle. Now pause the video and find out what is the best move for the white. Okay, the answer is king a6. Now taking the opposition, king to b6 could be, if somebody have found a king b6 is actually bad move because king b8, and now if you push the pawn, this is got opposition, right? So king to a6, king b8, now king b6, and now king c8, and this is a zugzwang. After pawn push is black will go king d7 and king b7 is a pawn promotion, and this will be a win. Let's go next. Now pause the video again, write down in your book. Now this is white to play. The answer is, see, most mistake made in king pawn versus pawn in game. The reason is that this situation is just provisional. The black king cannot keep the opposition because the pawn control the f7 square. As stated above, the best square for the long king are those in front of the pawn. Otherwise, he may not he may not get there in the right circumstances. Now the king f5. We should not push the pawn because if you push the pawn, we lost that pawn. Now, however, now wherever the black king moves, he loses the position. The important conclusion is once we take the position, we lose if it one of the square, we need to out of the reach. Now king g8, now king g6. Now we are going to opposite this king. So king f8, king f6. Now white king has gained the important sixth rank position and win by king e8, pawn push, king d7, king f7, and same as the last example, we will promote the pawn and make a queen. Now this is again white to play. See the coordinates also. This is puzzles from the 100 end games you must know, written by the Da La Villa 2008. Now let's see, it is white to play again, and what to move. Now white is should play because white aim is to make a draw. So it's king to h1. Now simple, he cannot go to the king f2 because that will be a that is could be a draw, and even he cannot push the pawn because that will be again equality is a draw. Let's go next puzzle. It's again white to play. Pause your video. The answer is king f6, king e8, king g7. Now the pawn is path is very clear for the promotion. Now f6 is a bad move because now king e8 asking the opposition and thus drawing. As we have said, there is no need to hurry to push the pawn. The king must pave the first way. Let's go next. It's white to play again of this king pawn end game. Just pause the video. The answer is king g7, king g6, sorry. King g6, king g8, king h6, king h8, g6, king g8, g7, king f7, and king h7. And its path is very clear. You can make a queen and you can easily win the game. Let's go to the next puzzle of king pawn in game. Key square when the pawn has not reached to the fifth rank. Now see, we have seen all the position from the sixth rank, but now here the pawn has not reached to the sixth rank. If pawn has not reached to the fifth rank, its key square are 2 rank ahead. For example, for a pawn is in fourth rank, the key square is a sixth rank. Now we have to go ahead of the pawn. Okay, before just pause the video and find out the good move for the white. Take a 2 to 3 minutes for this. So answer is king d5, king e7, and king c6. So king will go back to d8 and king to d6. Now as we discussed, this pawn is on fourth rank. The key square is a sixth rank. So your king should be 2 rank ahead, like sixth rank. King c8, king e7, king c7, and then pawn push. And this is the easy win. Let's go one more. Now again, this is again white to play, and white needs to draw. In this diagram, position of the fight for the square is together. We already know that fourth rank pawn, the key square is 2 rank ahead, like b3, c3, or d3. We also know that opposition prevent the enemy king from going further. So if the strong king reaches to the fifth rank, and when its counterpart takes a position on the second rank, the former will not make progress to occupy the key squares. However, the kings moves to the second rank. Let's see here. Pause the video and find out the best move for the white. The move is king b1. Now both the kings are the same file, separated by the odd number of squares. See, there are 3 rank gap in these two. So in the distance opposition, there should be 3 or 5 rank distance. So king b4, now king b2. Remember, if there is an odd number of gap, odd number of rank gap, so this game will be a draw. You have to maintain. You cannot play king to b2 because that will be a loss, because king to c3 will come. So odd number of gap of 3 or 5 also will work. King b4, king b2 immediately, taking the direct opposition now and preventing king reaching to the key square. c4, king c2, c3, king b1, king c1, king b3, and now king b1, c2 check, king c1, and only move king c1, and this is a draw. Hope you have enjoyed this video. This is the 100 endgame you must know. We'll publish for Fisher Chase students more endgame videos also. So just watch and enjoy. Thank you.